So there's our fences off the car. They've done an amazing job compared to what it was. It's so much better. There's a fair few flies around too. They come. So they've been doing this pretty much all day. There's been a little plane and another helicopter helping a little bit, but this is the main one. And they're just getting water at a little bit different of a spot now. So when they, they're amazing. When they come past, we bring the puppies out so that we can say hello and thank you. This is why you donate to Helicopters Flight Fire Brigade Service. English speak backwards much me. Yeah, so I'll show you. Done most of this little bit in front. They've only got about another, what's that, how many fingers, 20 minutes, half an hour hopefully, 40 minutes would be great. No, you can't see him drop it. Anyhow, it is much better than it was. I've unloaded the stuff off the truck. It's ready to go again if need be. That can flare up again really quick. But, so we'll make some Lego fences down in a big area that I've got allocated a couple of kilometres away. Come back. Yeah.